The ApoloSign 15.6-inch laptop model AS156 offers robust storage and smooth operations with a potent combination of 12 gigabytes of LPDDR4 RAM and a fast 512 gigabytes SSD, further expandable up to 1 terabyte. Powered by the Intel Celeron N5095 Processor, clocking in at up to 2.9 gigahertz, it is paired with Windows 11 operating system for enhanced safety and faster performance. The laptop features an immersive 15.6-inch Full HD display that provides vibrant images and incredible detail, and offers a remarkable opening angle of 178 degrees for optimal comfort and convenience in usage. It comes with a pre-installed Windows 11 operating system that seamlessly supports a variety of office, productivity, and entertainment software. Weighing just 1.7 kilograms and measuring 20 millimeters thin, this ultra-thin laptop offers convenient portability and versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth 4.2, dual-band Wi-Fi, mini HDMI, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, Type-C port, headphone jack, and micro TF slot. With a long-lasting 7.6-volt, 5,000 milliwatt-hour battery, it caters to all your connectivity needs, providing seamless transitions and effortless adaptability.